The Formtitan video. In this video, we'll talk about the Junction object demo. So what is a Junction object in our case here? Well, it's the opportunity products. So if I go back to my Salesforce here, we've got opportunity, we've got products as objects, and the Junction object connecting these two is the opportunity product right here. And I'm going to show you how to pull through the data, but data will be pulled in a distinct manner, so no duplicated values will be pulled through. So you see SLS over here duplicated, it will be pulled through correctly when you do the data. So what we'll do is we'll create first drop down, we'll say opportunity. And then we'll do here, we'll call it the opportunity products. Okay, two drop downs created. What we now need to do is make sure we got the mapping correct. So let's go back into the form, let's go into the get rid of this. We'll add an object. The first one's going to be opportunity. And we'll say execute on form load. We'll only use one for now, but you can do this with any, it doesn't really matter. Equals other, and for us the opportunity is going to be our Formtitan opportunity here. All done, and then we just simply map the fields to opportunity name, apply, then we have to map the opportunity product, which is going to be our Junction object, and we are going to say bring me all, and then we set condition opportunity ID equals opportunity ID. Perfect, all done. We don't have to map anything here. The mapping part for the third one comes under the product. So we go and do our product. Condition is going to be bring all, and then we just say product ID in opportunity line item ID, product ID. So what we're saying is bring me all the product IDs in the opportunity line item number 1.1 and all the product IDs. So this is going to bring all the unique IDs in this opportunity products Junction object. Then we just map the field opportunity products to product name. Apply and finish. Save. Preview. And you can see it's now pulled all the unique products into this opportunity products drop down. So remember we had 5 here. However, the ID for these two are similar, but in here it's pulled through the only 4 because these are unique. And that's how it's done. That's how you pull through a Junction object values directly, distinct values as well, distinct Junction object values directly into the drop downs by using the get. And how you do it, the first you map the, in my case, my Junction object was opportunity product. So what I did, I just brought back one opportunity. I then brought all its opportunity products by using the all condition and just saying that opportunity ID equals the opportunity ID 1. And then I finally created a product which links all of this together, and then all I said in here was that product ID in the opportunity line item, so which is the opportunity product, and bring me the product ID based on product ID, and based on product ID it's brought back 4 value which are distinct values. So that's how it's done, the Junction object demo using the opportunity products and opportunity product as Junction object.